Okay, in order to understand how the traffic activation is going to work, we got to do a little bit of math here to show you kind of a cost comparison of how solo ads work versus the push button leads that we are subsidizing you for. So basically what it works out to be, if you got a solo ad, you go to Udemy and buy a solo ad. We don't discourage that. It's okay to do that, to build a list. And as a matter of fact, we do have a link below that will take you to Udemy if that's what you decide to do. Let's say your average cost for a solo ad is 40 cents per lead. It converts at 35%. Some people will say, oh, I get 50%. Others will say, I get 20%. Average conversion rate is about 35%. So that means your cost to get a lead in your sales funnel is about $1.14. So you get 50% on our sales conversion. So if you get a conversion rate of 1%, your commission rate, 1% of all your leads will buy. Your commission will be $23.50. It's going to cost you $114 in order to generate that sale, which means you're going to lose $90. This is why most biz ops fail. Now, how you can offset that is if there's a recurring billing and there's things like that go on. In our case, what we're doing is we're subsidizing the cost of that lead. Instead of leads costing you $1.14 each, they're going to cost 40 cents a piece. So at a 40-cent cost for a lead, it's going to cost you're going to be spending $40 to generate 100 leads instead of 114. So you just saved $74. Okay. Also, these leads are more likely to buy our upsell because they come from our database. They've been pre-warmed up and everything. So your actual conversion rate is higher because they're likely to take the front end plus the upsell. So where you pay 40 cents a lead, you would be paying $1.14 a lead with anyone else. So that's how much we're subsidizing, we're giving you leads for. And then these leads, as I say in my video about extending your sales funnel, can generate just tons and tons and tons of additional profits for you in other product you sell on top of our own. Now, if you go over to the right, you can see here, if your lead cost is 40 cents with us for 100 leads, it's 40 bucks. 100 leads for solo ads, $114. It takes 100 leads to get an order. You're getting $23.50. In our case, it's $118.50 because these are predisposed to buy or upsell. And when you take a look at the total profits, you can actually break even on your list building efforts or make a good profit of $78 per 100. So that's the value of our lead generation system. The next video is going to show you how to place your orders to get your leads at this highly subsidized price, where I'm basically taking a 74-cent risk per lead. Once they're on their list, do your leads. You can email them anything else you want. View the section we have on extending your sales funnels and promoting other products, because that's really where you start to make even way more money.